Have you ever seen the ocean glow or witnessed sparkling lights at night? Well, this amazing phenomenon is called bioluminescence, and it can be found in a variety of places.
Bio what? What is that?
Alright, let's explain this natural wonder. Bioluminescence refers to the light emitted by a living organism through a chemical reaction happening inside their bodies. In order to produce this reaction, some components are required. These are luciferin, luciferase, and oxygen. Now you might ask yourself, what is she talking about? Lucy what? Well, luciferin is a pigment and luciferase is an enzyme. When luciferin is oxidized, which means that it is combined with oxygen and then is catalyzed by the luciferase, which accelerates the reaction, will result in the production of light. This process is complicated, but many animals have mastered it.
Bioluminescence can be found in many marine organisms such as bacteria, algae, jellyfish, worms, crustaceans, sea stars, fish, and a few sharks. This glowing light often happens in the ocean because here is where most bioluminescent organisms are found. However, you can also find bioluminescent animals on land such as fireflies and fungi. We've talked about the reaction and about the animals, but what about the colors? How bioluminescent light appears will vary depending on the organism and its habitat. Most organisms in the ocean produce blue-green light, while others can emit violet, red, or yellow light. Who knew that so many colors could be produced?
With this information, you can tell that bioluminescence is interesting, but wait until I tell you about its functions and importance. As you can imagine, the bottom of the ocean is really, really dark. Here, you wouldn't be able to see anything. Well, bioluminescence serves several purposes to the animals living in those deep waters. It can be used to communicate with other animals of the same species, often to attract mates. It can also be used as a defense mechanism. Certain species of squids eject a bioluminescent mucus instead of ink to escape from predators. Finally, bioluminescence can be used to search for prey in the dark. Now, isn't it amazing?
Some interesting facts about this glowing light would be the Greeks and Romans were the first to begin recording information about bioluminescence. Nowadays, bioluminescence is being used for medical advancements and research. Other interesting facts about animals that produce bioluminescence would be some animals can emit light continuously, while others can turn their lights on and off. The kittifin shark is the largest known vertebrate to produce bioluminescence. Glowworm larvae emit light to warn predators that they are toxic and would not make a good meal.
Bioluminescence is a unique light source that many marine organisms use for their survival. In order for it to happen, a chemical reaction, a very complicated one I should say, must take place inside the bodies of the organisms. Its colors will vary depending on the animal and its habitat. Bioluminescence is a fundamental aspect for marine species. This glowing wonder is certainly worth to be seen.